In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the watch face on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now keep in mind that not all watch faces have the same customization capabilities. For some, you can only customize the color, and for others, you can customize the compilation and the color as well. Now let's take, for instance, this particular watch face. If you want to customize this watch face, all you have to do is long press on it to access the watch face editor, and then tap on this icon that looks like it has a pencil icon. So sorry, this one right here, tap on it, and now you can now customize the watch face. Now from here we have two options. You can customize the color, so you can scroll using the crown and find the color that you'd like. So let's say, for instance, this particular color, you can select that, and also you can swipe left towards the left, and you can now customize the compilations. So you can tap on any circle, and then from here you can choose the icon that you'd like to display on that particular compilation. So let's say, for instance, a heart rate. You can tap on it and it will be visible, and then you can tap on this other circle at the bottom and then select anything that you'd like to add. So let's say, for instance, mind and body. So you can tap on that, and now you can see those compilations have been added. Now once you're done, simply press the crown button to save the changes. As you can see, now you have the mind and body. You can have the heart rate on your watch face. So that's basically it on how you can customize the watch face on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.